Hi guys, Luke from MYPOS Connect here. We're going to go over the stock adjustments feature in the MYPOS Connect portal. Once you've logged into the portal, navigate to the left-hand side and click down on inventory management. There'll be a few different options here. Go down to stock adjustments and click on that. Once you've clicked on stock adjustments, this screen will appear and it will show all of the previous stock adjustments done in the system. This is my demo system, so there's only 4 items. In the real system, there'll be many, many more, and you would probably want to find a particular adjustment. You can do that via a keyword search here, and you also click on various tabs here to filter it even more. To add a new one, the first thing to do is click on Add New. Then you choose your reason, your type. For this purpose, I'm going to do Stock In. Then this box appears. To find the product, there's 2 different ways to do this. You can either click on the drop down menu here and then click on a classification, and then it will show all of the products within that classification. Or you can search here for the product you want to find. I'm going to do Coke can, quantity 5, what store. If you want to add an attachment that's related to the stock adjustment, it could be a purchase order. It could just be a note about the reason exactly why you've done this. You can add it on the attachment file down here. Once you click add, the stock adjustments, the stock level will change in the system, and you'll be able to see it there at the top, the creation date, the reason, and the product. Thank you.